Cool, so this is tip number 12 of our 12 top tips for using the interactive Lynx whiteboard. So I'm just going to take you through how you can just use it as a come up and use a whiteboard and some of the main features here with it. So when you open the dashboard here, you can go to create, you can choose what setting you want. I normally just go to the default, and when I go onto the create, it just opens a nice big blank screen for me. So straight away I can come and I can pick up one of my pens, so maybe the ink, and I can start writing on it, jotting down my ideas and things. So some of the things around here, down at the bottom here, we have our navigation. So if I click on the little plus sign, I can add additional pages. So you'll see those have gone up to 4 now. And to view them, I can click on my little window viewer here to this side. I can also change the background by clicking on the hamburger menu and just selecting a different colour for the page. I can then navigate through each of those slides by tapping on the one that I want, or by using the little arrows down here. Down at the bottom here, we've got our little cursor, so that's how we move things around on the screen and select things. We've got a variety of pens, some of which we've already looked at. I like the rainbow pen, we've got the animated rainbow pen. So if I was to write, hello, you get it going in nice different colours. We've also got the text recognition. So this time if I write welcome, give it a moment, it should pick up my writing and change it into text. And again, we've got the shape tool. So if I draw a triangle, you'll pick that up. If I draw a circle, you'll recognise my circle there as well. And the math tools and the line and curve tools we've looked at previously in our top tips. We also have the laser, which is quite a nice one to use if you just want to highlight something for a short period of time to show you where things are. So this is my laser, and it just disappears off the board slowly. And then you've got your eraser just at the end. You can change, so you can just rub those things out once you don't need them anymore. Along from here, from the pens, we have our text box. So to add text, I'm going to go back to the computer and show you how to quickly add some text on there. Okay, so from my computer, I'm on my text. I'm going to choose the handwriting one here. I'm going to write top tip 12. And again, using the nodes, you can make that bigger, smaller. You can change the colour of it from the floating toolbar. You can also highlight the back of it. So when I click off, you can see it's got the white box. And you can underline it, use the bold, centre it and things like that, and also change the text if you would like to. So from our bottom toolbar again still, we've got our crop tools here that we've looked at in the past, and our fill. So you've got your crop rectangle, your freehand, your splitting the shape, and your knife. So we've previously looked at those in our top tips. If I come along to this next one, I've got the plus. We've looked at adding content. I'm going to have a look in our page options. So here you can put the curtain on. So you can slide that curtain up and down to show on the mask. You can even change the colour. So you might have a nice blue, and you can change the direction of that as well. So you can have it revealing from different sides. I'll take that one off. We also have the spotlight tool, okay, where again, you can find things on the board. Again, if I touch down here, you can change the colour of that to a different colour. You can change the size and diameter of the hole, and you can even change the capacity of what you're looking for. So if I close that down, you can have it there. And I'll take that off. At the far side of the board, we also have the undo and redo buttons and our little waste bin to delete things off our screen. and that is top tip number 12.